The location of this 3-bedroom, 3-bath home is everything. Located on the main north-south artery of Huntington, it's within walking distance to shopping, dining, schools, and more. This classic brick home is timeless, yet filled with modern features that keep it current. Through the entryway, you'll immediately notice the large spaces that each room offers. The huge formal dining room boasts plenty of space for a large table filled with dinner guests. In the kitchen, it's all in the details. Stunning white cabinets with unique hardware, a double sink, and stainless steel appliances, plus a serving window bring this space together. Head into the spacious living room where there's a spot for everyone on the couch. Enjoy each other's company around the warm brick fireplace that makes an all-day movie marathon sound like the perfect idea. The bedrooms are all incredibly spacious and ready for you to make your own. There are plenty of ways to enjoy the outdoors, whether that be from the sunroom, swinging on the porch, or lounging on the patio in the fenced-in backyard. Tons of storage can be found in the basement, walk-up attic, or detached garage. Don't delay on seeing this amazing home. Call Kim Hainline Patmore today.